Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing the Expedia app, a popular travel booking platform that helps users find flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages. With its user-friendly interface and extensive travel deals, Expedia aims to make planning trips easier and more affordable. Whether you're booking a last-minute getaway or planning a long vacation, the app offers various options to suit your travel needs. Expedia provides a streamlined booking experience with price comparisons, exclusive mobile deals, and the ability to bundle travel services for extra savings. Users can earn Expedia rewards points on bookings, which can be redeemed for future discounts. The app also features real-time travel updates, trip itineraries, and flexible cancellation policies on select bookings, making it a convenient choice for travelers. One of the biggest advantages of the Expedia app is its all-in-one convenience. Instead of visiting multiple websites to compare prices, you can search for flights, hotels, and car rentals in one place. The Expedia Rewards program is another perk, allowing frequent travelers to save money over time. Additionally, the app's interface is easy to navigate, with filters that help users find the best options based on price, reviews, and amenities. However, Expedia does have some drawbacks. While the app offers great deals, some users have reported issues with customer service, especially when it comes to refunds and cancellations. Booking through third-party platforms like Expedia can sometimes lead to complications with airlines and hotels, as policies may differ from direct bookings. Additionally, reward points can take time to accumulate, and their redemption options may be limited. User reviews for the Expedia app are mixed. Many travelers appreciate the convenience and savings it provides, especially for package deals. Others, however, have expressed frustration with customer support and difficulties in resolving booking issues. Some users have also mentioned occasional glitches in the app, such as price changes during checkout or booking errors. Overall, the Expedia app is a solid choice for travelers looking for an easy way to book flights, hotels, and rental cars in one place. Its discounts and rewards program add value, but potential customer service issues should be considered. If you're comfortable using a third-party booking platform, Expedia can be a useful tool for planning your trips. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.